So if you're getting a runtime error, you've likely got corruption of your file system, so you want to check it. First of all, go to CMD and run as an administrator. Then you want to use dism /online/clean up dash image. Image, and then /restore health. So dism space /online space /clean up the dash image space /restore health. Click that, and it's going to check. You have to be online for this. I'm not online at the minute, so I don't need to do it anyway, but it's going to go online and check with the Windows Update tool that your image is good. That's going to take a while, so I'll come back. So now that I know that it's checked against the online version and everything's okay, you can now scan your file system for errors. So SFC /scan now. Again, it's going to take some time. It's going to go through all your files, check them all, and make sure that any corruption is fixed. I'll just leave that going, but I'll fast forward it.